singular and plural. I cannot speak correct English. My team and I will help you. Auntie, you cannot understand. I cannot even write anything. Do you have a head? Do you have a phone? We got you covered. Get in touch with me. My team and I will help you. So let me teach you this for today. Has versus have. Has and have. Has is a singular verb, while have is a plural verb. Has is used with he, she, it, and one name. Yes, like Adeola. Have is used with they, we, I, and you, and also with two or more names. Do you get that? So let's do this. We come, has or have. We have come. She some cash. Singular. She has some cash. It's been done. It's singular verb. Has it been done? They is what? A plural. Not eaten. Has or have? They have not eaten. He come. He is what? A singular. So the answer will be, I want to leave that for you. Let me know that in the comment section. And don't forget to like, to follow, and share with your friends. And if you have problem, you have issues communicating well, if you want to learn how to perfect your communication skill, get in touch with us. We will help you. Bye.